Hey, TheProBenja. Ah, he can't hear me, he's got them AirPods on. Hey, ProBenja. More like ProButcha. Oh, shit.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. You're here with me, Ben, and today, in all seriousness, we're taking a look at the Urbanista Stockholms, which are a pair of wireless headphones, not unlike Apple AirPods. I hope you all enjoy. So the Urbanista Stockholms have a very sleek design, and in comparison to the Apple AirPods, come in at a nice price of around €100 depending on where you go. In comparison, the Apple AirPods are in around €200, and these are as good, if not better quality, in my executive opinion. So as you can see, there's a charging port on the side for any Android cable will charge this box, and the box charges the headphones via the little magnetic charging docks. Now, the battery life on these is amazing. In the last 6 months, I've only had to charge them maybe 2 or 3 times, and I use them for maybe 2 hours every day. So they are pretty amazing. So one of the coolest things about the Urbanista Stockholm is similar to the Apple AirPods. It's the touch feature that is used using the symbol at the top of the headphones. Now, it can do a lot of things. It can turn the headphones on and off, turn on the voice assistant, turn off voice assistant, pause songs, end a call, answer a call, a ton of things. So in this next clip, you'll see me using these touch features to swap between songs, some classic ProBenja songs, of course. So to conclude, these are a really great pair of wireless headphones and a great alternative to the AirPods, especially seeing as they're at the €100 price tag in comparison to the €200 you would have to pay for AirPods. Another advantage to getting these is there's no limit to functionality with any phone, unlike the AirPods where some features are locked off if you aren't using an Apple. My only complaint about these is the sound quality could be a little bit better. Like, it is pretty good, but it could be a little bit better. But you are only paying €100, and the battery and the sound are amazing for that price. So if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.